Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. Going to run through an exercise for shoulder range of motion. So starting on the wall, a foot or two out from the wall with the toes, and placing the hands on the walls with the thumbs facing away from the walls, about shoulder width apart with the fingers. So what you're going to do, you're going to push your chest towards the wall and allow the wall to support that arms coming up. So the idea is to not have to raise the arm with just your muscle control. We're going to use the wall to support it. So this is a graded movement before we get into unassisted. So slowly coming up the wall, just as far as comfortable. If you find there's a point of discomfort here, then just come to that point below. Try and keep those shoulder blades stable and the shoulders down. Don't allow the shoulders to rise up too high with this movement. And running through 3 sets of 6 of those.